everybody, so today I'm gonna make brownies in the microwave. Start off by adding half cup plus 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Next add in 1 by 3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. After that, throw in 1 by 4 teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. After that, we're gonna add 3 by 4 cups plus 2 tablespoons of powdered or normal sugar. Now we're gonna mix. In the background, you can see my sister. She was trying to peek in the camera. After mixing, add in 1 by 4 cup oil. I used vegetable oil. Then crack in 1 large egg. For the last ingredient, we are going to add half cup plus 2 tablespoons of either hot water or hot milk. Before pouring the batter, we are going to cover the dish with oil so that the brownies can come off easily. In the microwave, it goes for 5 minutes. Okay, it's back, and let's poke it with a stick to see if it's ready or not. It's not completely done because it's still raw, and we don't want to be eating raw batter. Now put it back for 30 seconds. It's back and it looks delicious. Now we're gonna cut it into perfectly nice squares. Personally, I don't think any brownie is complete without sprinkles or chocolate chips.